Identifying the flags.
Uruguay, Thailand, Barbados, Austria, Finland, Morocco, South Korea, Israel, Slovenia, Dominican Republic, Dominica, Tanzania, Niger, Iceland, Costa Rica, Spain, Egypt, Russia, Singapore, Jordan, Norway, Cyprus, Liberia, Suriname, El Salvador, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Peru, Australia, Panama, Malaysia, Germany, Philippines, India, Algeria, Uganda, Lebanon, Netherlands, Sudan, Syria, Turkey, Nigeria, Switzerland, Kazakhstan, Tunisia, Greece, Luxembourg, Vatican City, Monaco, Serbia, Canada, Albania, United States of America, Republic of the Congo, Brazil, Paraguay, Chad, Hungary, Iran, Zimbabwe, Yemen, Nepal, Tuvalu, Italy, Belarus, Venezuela, Colombia, United Arab Emirates, Sweden, Denmark, Pakistan, Maldives, Haiti, Argentina, Estonia, Portugal, Myanmar, Cambodia, Ukraine, Austria, Latvia, Fiji, Ghana, Ethiopia, New Zealand, Namibia, North Korea, Cuba, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Jamaica, Somaliland, South Africa, Chile, Japan, Mexico, Poland, Bulgaria, Zambia, Oman, Bangladesh, People's Republic of China, Kenya, France, Czech Republic, Iraq, Ireland, Qatar, Laos, Tonga, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Bahrain, Guyana, Ecuador, United Kingdom,